Golconda Fort, a marvel of history and architecture. Golconda Fort, located in the western part of Hyderabad, Telangana, India, is one of the most magnificent fortresses in the country. Renowned for its rich history, architectural brilliance, and strategic importance, it stands as a symbol of the cultural heritage of the Deccan region. Its massive walls, grand gateways, intricate water supply system, and impressive acoustics have fascinated historians, architects, and tourists alike for centuries. Historical background. The origins of Golconda Fort date back to the 12th century when it was built as a mud fort by the Kaktiya dynasty. Later, in the 16th century, it was fortified and expanded by the Qutub Shahi rulers into the grand stone structure that we see today. Golconda served as the capital of the Qutub Shahi kingdom and flourished as a center of trade, especially famous for its diamond market. Some of the world's most famous diamonds, including the Kohinoor and the Hope diamond, are believed to have been mined in the nearby Kollur mines during this period. Architecture and design. The fort is an extraordinary example of medieval military architecture. Spread over 11 kilometers in circumference, Golconda Fort consists of 4 distinct forts with a series of bastions, gateways, royal halls, mosques, and storerooms. Its massive granite walls, rising up to 18 meters in height and 11 meters in width, were designed to withstand enemy attacks. One of the most remarkable features of Golconda is its unique acoustic system. A clap at the Fateh Darwaza, Victory Gate, can be heard clearly at the Bala Hisar Pavilion, located almost a kilometer away, a system believed to be used for communication and warning signals. The fort also had an advanced water supply system using Persian wheels and aqueducts, a remarkable feat for its time. Cultural and economic significance. During its peak, Golconda was not only a strong military bastion but also a thriving trade center. The fort was associated with the flourishing diamond trade of the Deccan, and merchants from across the world visited its markets. The Qutub Shahi rulers also contributed significantly to the region's culture, patronizing art, music, literature, and architecture. Decline and legacy. Golconda Fort remained unconquered for decades until it finally fell to the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb in 1687 after a long siege. Despite the decline of its political importance, the fort continued to stand as a majestic reminder of its glorious past. Today, it is one of the most visited tourist attractions in Hyderabad and is protected by the Archaeological Survey of India. The annual Sound and Light Show held in the fort premises brings its history alive for visitors. Conclusion. Golconda Fort is more than just a historical monument, it is a testament to the vision, skill, and cultural richness of the rulers who built and expanded it. Its combination of military strength and aesthetic beauty makes it one of the finest examples of Indian fort architecture. Visiting Golconda is like stepping back in time, where the echoes of history still resonate within its mighty walls.